today we are beginning with the topic tangents and normals. This topic includes the subtopics slope of a tangent, slope of a normal, equation of a tangent, equation of a normal, point of contact and the angle of intersection of curves. I have covered the maximum number of questions and all type of questions. For that purpose, I have divided the topic into 4-5 parts mainly. Now, in this video, I am covering the concept of the topic and its subtopics. So let us start. Let we have a curve y equal to fx. Suppose the curve is like this. Then we can have any point P, say x0, y0, where there is a tangent to this curve. Now you can see this is called the point of contact. Here the tangent is touching the curve, so it is called point of contact. And this is the curve y equal to fx. And this is your equation line of tangent. And any line which is perpendicular to this at the point of contact will be called its normal. Now, how to find the first slope of a tangent? As this line tangent makes an angle say theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then slope of tangent will be tan. And we have studied in the differentiation part that this is given by dy by dx. Now, at particular instant at x0, y0, slope of tangent will become dy by dx at this point, say x0, y0. And let me call this as n. Now, as the normal is perpendicular to the tangent, then we will have slope of normal will be negative 1 upon dy by dx. That means I can write it as dx by dy with negative. And that is actually the negative reciprocal of this at the point x0, y0. So slope of normal will become minus 1 by n. So next we'll have equation of a tangent. Now we have studied in 11th standard the point slope form equation of a line. In point slope form is y minus y0 equal to m times x minus x0. Here the point x0, y0 is the point lying on the line and m is its slope. Here also we are given the point of contact as well as we have got the slope of tangent as n. So equation of tangent in this case will become y minus y0 equal to m times x minus x0. And in the same procedure, equation of normal can be written as y minus y0 because its slope is minus 1 by n. So I will write here minus 1 by n x minus x0. So we can easily find the equation of tangent and normal if the point of contact is given, and we can with the help of differentiation find the slopes and substitute there. Now we can take some special cases. See, when dy by dx is 0 or tangent is parallel to x-axis. In this case, you can see tangent is parallel to x-axis. Let me take a curve like this. When tangent is parallel to x-axis, say this. Then the angle will be theta is 0. That is why slope will become 0. And in this case, the tangent is actually m is 0. Equation of tangent is y minus y0 equal to 0 times x minus x0. In that case, this is y equal to y0. This is your first case when tangent is parallel to x-axis. Now in the second case, when dy by dx at particular instant x0 y0 is not defined. Not defined means angle must be theta as pi by 2. If angle theta is pi by 2, so this tan pi by 2 is not defined. In that case, this is 1 upon 0 infinity solve, and then in that case, tangent will be parallel to y-axis. And if tangent is parallel to y-axis, let me say the figure like this. This is the curve and tangent is parallel to y-axis. And in this case, equation of tangent will become x equal to x naught. Now, for the same special cases, we have equation of normal. Now, if this is the tangent parallel to x-axis, then normal will be on this line. Then normal will become parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. And in this case, equation of normal is x equal to x naught. As normal is parallel to normal is the first case, normal is parallel to y-axis. And equation of normal is this one. And in the second case, when normal is parallel to x-axis, as tangent was parallel to y-axis, so its equation will become y equal to y naught, and vice versa. Now, gradient of a curve defined as slope of tangent to the curve at that point. Now, the point of contact, there is no such rule for the point of contact to find, but there must be given certain conditions from which we can find the point of contact.